It's Joe, and this is my next project.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Every week, every Saturday, I told you I'd leave you a video, and sometimes I don't do my homework, guys. This is not a business. It's just where I go to have fun and enjoy myself. And sometimes I just don't get anything done, and that's okay. It's no race. The whole project is to see what's over the next hill, do what hadn't been done before, just see something different. Show me something I ain't seen before. And here's something on this project. Even though I hadn't done anything, I'm gonna show you something you hadn't seen before. So, maybe I can make amends for not doing my homework. Let's see how you like it. I don't know how to do this. Get out here. And that's rolling away. Whew. Dang. That was certainly something. Here we go. Zen Roadster. I don't hate that. It's hard to see that on video, but this is really how tall, when you're standing beside it, your eyes will be about this tall. It's a little bit square top, but aren't a lot of these square top? I could have been it a little bit different, but that's what we got. That's the way it is. I wonder how tall this car is going to be. Oh. I cut the bumper last week. I like it. Those posts, they're almost parallel, aren't they? They look better in person than they pick up on this video. Hard to see. A nice bent in here, nice and smooth. This will have a cap on it. It'll be smooth and cool. Hey, that's cool. Well, hopefully we get more done next week. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Hit the subscribe button. Share these videos if you will.